right, come see our room tour. We are on the Carnival Jubilee and we're staying deck 9, room number 9475. So we have an ocean view cabin. So as soon as you get into our room, it's tight, that is for sure, but check out so we each have our own. This is Jason's closet, so just enough room. You have your safe, you have little bins here, which is nice. You also have a drawer that pulls out, which is very handy. You have another closet, which I have claimed that with Palmer. And this one here has 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, this also too, I should point out that you do not have your life jackets in here. And then you have your couch and another drawer here, which we have Palmer's toys and snacks in. Your little cooler fridge. Your big waters, you don't drink those because they will charge you, but we do have a pack of water that we asked to bring into the room. Mirror. Now you have all of these outlets here, and we also brought one too because we have a lot of phones and Apple Watches and Palmer's fan. Then you have more drawers here, and it does come with a blow dryer. I do bring my own just because of the fact I do have a lot of hair. So I like more power. And then this one here, this bench is really cool. It flips over. It's also storage. We have all the Palmer's life jackets for the pool, and also you can flip this all the way over. Let me show you here. And it could be a place to eat if you want to do that. And of course you have your phone and a nice size mirror with good lighting. We brought our own hooks because we like to hang all our hats up. Very big TV and the king bed. And if you are a platinum or above, this is the gift you get this time, and this is January 2025. You have a nightlight here, or a reading lamp, because you say you have a USB cord plug in, and here's the lights to turn off the lights as well. So if you're laying in bed, you don't have to get all the way up or fight with someone to get up and turn the lights off. Here's another one here, and we have a charging right now for our fan that we bring. I really suggest y'all to get one of these though. This is great. It stands all the way up. I think it stands up to 6 feet tall. And then it's a little portable fan that's also rechargeable. It's wonderful to keep everything. Now, the doors lock, so when you have a little one, you don't have to worry about that. Hold it open. We are sailing off right now. As you can see by the beautiful sunset, we have, I believe, an extra wide balcony. So it's really nice. We have a lounger plus 2 chairs, and I'm keep on going. So I think it's extra wide. I could definitely do a few cartwheels in here. And we have our stroller in here too, just to give us a little bit extra room. But we are on deck 9, so right up below us is the watering hole and that beautiful sunrise. Gorgeous. So we are here. It is January 11th tonight, and we're here until January 17th. I believe we're on the 7th day to Honduras, Costa Maya, and Cozumel. So it's just the 3 of us cruising this time. So, but it is going to be great. It's a little tight squeeze, but we're going to make do. It's a nice size. Oh, bathroom. Didn't even show you all the bathroom. Let me do that. So we bring a bathtub for Palmer because, again, she is only a year and 9 months. So she is a little bitty, so she can't shower yet. But here is the bath. I am in it right now. I love the hot pressure though. It has your shower gel and your shampoo. So we bring all of our stuff as well. And again, we have a little one, so we have all of the essentials. And you have lots of storage, and also too down here, you have another bin for storage, and underneath the sink, and then down here as well. So plenty full of storage. The toilet, you can't do too many activities in here. Oh, I just hit the shower. I mean, it's tight, but you know, you're not in the room for very long. But that view though, that view says it all. I love it. Y'all come along and see what we get into this entire week for the 3 of us on a 7-day cruise.